Atiku. Your Excellency, the most qualified, the most credible, the man with capacity, the man with the knowledge, the man with the solution, our own presidential candidate, the former Vice President of Nigeria, our national chairman, our party structure, Your Excellencies, our brother governors, let me not extend the protocol. We are here today in Gombe so that we can answer very few questions. When PDP was in power, how much was a tin of milk? How much is a tin of milk today? When PDP was in power, how much was a bag of rice? How much is a bag of rice today? When PDP was in power, how much was one orange? How much is an orange sold today? We just want to let people know that PDP is coming back to make sure our economy bounces back, to make sure our naira regain the strength, to make sure you have more milk in your tea. When PDP was in power, you were putting plenty milk in your tea. Now you are drinking tea without milk. Do you want that to continue? Do you want that to continue? PDP is coming back to put milk in your tea, to bring the economy back, to make sure there is light, to make sure you live in light, to make sure no more darkness, to make sure you have access to many things you are not having right now. Vote PDP. Nigeria! Nigeria! Gombe!